Good morning, Color Carver! Kain tayo. Ito ang breakfast ko for today. So, I continue my treatment for my eye, also my hormones. So, I make turmeric tea with a little salt. No? Ayan. And I have avocado. I have sunflower seed. I have 2 eggs. And yan, yun lang. If ito yung ginamit ko na it's a turmeric powder. So, yan ang kakainin ko ngayon. If kulang and you're craving for bread, something, you can use better the sourdough. This one. No? It's a probiotic bread. And it's good for guts. So, busog pa ako. Pero I want to eat this one. It's already 12:20. And last meal ko kagabi is 12:20 rin. So, 12 hours na akong fasting. But I want to do this my routine for 2 weeks. So, I will see the effect. And, buo apati, kain tayo. And this one, it's good, no? Actually, this avocado is a powerhouse, is a fatty acid and a high protein and high magnesium and also high in potassium, also fiber. So, nandito na lahat. So, dahil gutom si Caps ko, you get all the nutrition for the nails, hair, skin. Yan, kasi yung hair natin, ang nails natin, and skin natin, they have amino acid. And lahat ng food na meron nun ay nasa meat. So, ang protein ko ngayon is egg, no? Actually, my son like only white egg and the yellow egg is for me. So, I eat this one in my routine, no? They have choline, they have lutein, so it's good. It's a high folic din po. Ang sarap. Gutom ka na, Miming. And I eat my sunflower seed. Kain tayo. Have a nice day. Be safe.